Hey guys, it's Sean Veely here, and today I got a retro unboxing for you. This is MotorStorm Arctic Edge on PlayStation 2. See, PlayStation 2 right there, and it says only on those gaming consoles. It looks like it'll have good graphics since it's from 2009. I think it'll have some real good graphics. It's brand new, as you can see. This shrink wrap is just brand new. So let's look at the side here. Also, I want to show y'all something, see if y'all have noticed this before. On the PlayStation games, specifically like before the 2009, like talking about 2005, 2006 before, the logo right there was a black background instead of a white background. Same thing on the disc, and then the newer ones had that little white background like that, and on the disc too. So if you look at the back, beautiful, beautiful shiny coloring on it. They really put some shiny color in this one. And like I said before, PS3 does have better graphics, but PS2 has the better games. And this is the only one to get on the PS2, but I believe it's the best one in the MotorStorm series because PlayStation 2 has the better games, but PlayStation 3 has the better graphics. Plus, I like anything to do with frozen stuff, like frozen areas like that. So that's why I'm glad they put that one on PS2. It says, "Welcome to the mountain. The stormers have taken the MotorStorm Festival to the brutal frozen tundra of the Alaskan North. Choose from 24 vehicles in 8 classes, motocross bikes to Bike Ridge, and exclusive to the Alaskan wilderness, the Snowmobile and Snowcat. 12 unpredictable and reversible racing shortcut vehicle class, slicing seconds off their time. Survive the mountain only to face your competition. The festival is on." Yep, 2009. And then there's the rating. And all the games say that, pretty much. So we're gonna take a look inside in a minute. Let's just look at the whole thing one more time. There's some pictures from it, as y'all see the little pictures. Looks like it's a really fun game, and one of the best ones on PS2, I believe. One of the best games on the PlayStation 2, I believe, honestly. So we're about to open this one up. Honestly, though, my favorite side to look at is the back, because the back looks the best on a lot of the game on PS2. So yeah, we're gonna open it up though. Yep, it's brand new. There it is. The disc looks about the same. Yep, pretty much same thing as that too, as the little manual. Yep, it's brand new. And that's the PlayStation 2 little logo right there. Let's see now. We got this manual on the back of it. It's got the PlayStation logo and a bit of grease or something. What's that, grease? Guess that's when they packed it in there. But yeah, there's the PlayStation logo thingy there. Let's take a look at this manual too. Let's see. Table of contents. Alrighty. Okay, now, hold on a minute, guys. Let's see. So this page just shows you about the controller and everything like that. Your PlayStation 2, blah, blah, blah. Black ice, says right there. Yeah, and these are just all the little controls. There's a picture from the game. how the manual's trying to close on my hand like that. There we go. Vehicles, and then music mode, all that. Enter cheat code, but I don't know the cheat codes. I'll have to look that up. There's another picture from the game that shows you all the options there. Reset to track. Yeah, that's like the driver's handbook. I'm trying to make it look like realistic driver license thing or something. There's all the different ones like snow machine. People up north say ATV. That's what they call it in the north, ATV. But if you're in the south like me, you know we call them four-wheelers. Deep snow or water. I thought it'd just be deep snow. I guess the water's gonna be melted too or something. And there's the copyrighted stuff, all that, all the songs. Oh, this has got some, I think a few songs I may know. Let's see. Chemical Brothers. Yeah, I think I've heard that one. I've heard of The Prodigy, but I don't know that song by him. But I've heard of the Prodigy band. Is that the time warp I'm thinking of from the Rocky Horror Picture Show? Or is that a different version? And there's like a note thing right there. That's pretty much it for that part. I'm about to place this big sticker thing. I'm going to try to in the manual. Tried to cover up my address, but I think my address was shown. But let's just take a look at this disc for a minute here. See all the artwork that they put on it. The background, I really like that background too. Alright guys, so that was my unboxing of this game. I hope y'all enjoy. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye y'all. Peace.